Hey everybody, Sean coming at you from Outpost V, baby, for another blessedly beautiful day of awesomeness, creating great things on this planet Earth, rotating around in this universe. And just continuing with the theme of just get after it, get out there, do what you want to do, basically. I mean, you have to start somewhere, and you just try and do it until you get it right, or you just stop and move on. But really, it boils down to, if it's something you enjoy doing, you're not going to get it right off the first run. You just keep doing it and keep trying, and then eventually you create something awesome. If not to anybody, to yourself, because that's what really matters. Anyways, y'all have a good one. Thanks for the subs, and let me know what you think. Peace.